out what's on our chartist radar. Nooresh Merani, Kunal Bothra, they're joining in. And Kunal, just to stretch forward that point that we were talking about, the fact that we have seen that momentum picking up for the frontline indices. Too early to say that we're at some sort of a peak, but there is perhaps more steam left in the rally, you think?
Good morning, Avan. So, well, it seems like because, after 3 or 4 days of consolidation, 300 points gap down, 300 points correction on the index, we've managed to find some good support at the 90,500 to 600 zone. So we preempted the corrective move for the index because the put call ratios and many indicators had become overbought. Now I believe that on the way up, we could probably be now coming back towards retest of the previous highs. And we've seen that phenomena even in the June series or the end of the June series, start of July series, that post a start of a fresh series is where we see the index breaking past about the previous resistance. So hopefully if we repeat the same phenomena, then this time around, start of the August series, which is from Friday, we could probably be expecting the index to cross back above the previous swing highs of 19,990 approximately. So would have a bullish stance on the index, and especially after yesterday's move indicates that 19,500 is now a good formidable short-term support.
Okay, Nooresh, it's expiry day. We've seen a lot of heavyweights that have been propelling the markets up so far. What's your expectation given that it has been a healthy handover, and yesterday we wrapped up the day at above the 19,750 mark?
So we are still in the middle of the range. 19,500, 19,600 is a support. 20,000 is a resistance. We are right bang in the middle of the zone. As well as the problem is we are not seeing leadership coming in a new way. So what we've seen is we saw a new all-time high on ICICI Bank and it just moved up to 3% and is pausing at 1,000 levels. So we are not seeing a follow-up momentum in any of the breakouts per se. So it's a slow and steady move, and this has been the characteristic of this move, wherein we take a pause after a 400, 800 pointer move. So we are in that pause wherein we should ideally spend at least 2 weeks, and we are not even say 5-7 days as of now in this zone. So we have 2 to 3 weeks to go in this band, and in that period of time, we could continue to see stock specific action. Say yesterday we saw Midcap index make a new all-time high. Day before it was small cap index making a new all-time high. So overall, the momentum is shifting more towards the broader market and stock-specific sector rotations. So it's time to focus more on the stocks than on the index till the time we are in this range. Whenever this range breaks below 19,500 or 20,000, that's the time you look back into the heavyweights.